And now it's time for Who Else Has a Penis Fetish? Why don't you call us here at 271-4848, Back Porch Video. This is world news. In fact, if you call 271-4848 and tell us whose lips those were, that was a while back, that is, and you get to win Sir Mix-a-Lot's Iron Man. Okay, are we almost ready?
We are just about ready.
Okay, that's great. Oh, you can write us through 15200 Mercantile Drive, Dearborn, Michigan, 48121.
This next song is called She's Raining on Me with our disco beginning, so remember this. She's raining on me, 88. Thanks! Just told me he's so high that all I could see was nothing except for the street. And I'll wait, something's on. And I'll wait, something more crisp. She's raining on me. She's raining on me. I have stayed away, nothing but to hear her say that she loved me every day. Turned my head and walked away. I felt that little bird inside me say that I love you. Something's wrong. And I'll wait, something's wrong. She's raining on me. She's raining on me. Sing it with me. Tell me everything you know. Tell me everything you know. What instead? This is for the slow dance. What instead? What instead? Do you know? Thank you. I tell you what the time. I tell you what the time. I tell you what the time. But there's only a couple people dancing, and we're a dance band. Hashimoto, Erasure, and Hippodrome.